Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use HubSpot's CTA button to boost website engagement and guide visitors to take specific actions. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account. Once logged in, access the marketing dashboard. This is the control center for all your marketing activities. Next, navigate to the marketing tab and select landing pages. This is where you'll create or edit pages to implement your CTA buttons. Remember, a compelling landing page is essential as it often serves as the first interaction visitors have with your campaign. Now, find the button settings panel on your landing page. Focus on the link options, which define what happens when someone clicks your CTA button. From the drop-down menu, select CTA. This lets your button trigger actions like ebook downloads, newsletter signups, or other campaign goals aligned with your business strategy. Once configured, insert the CTA into the button module on your page. This completes the setup and activates your call to action. Seeing your CTA work smoothly can be very satisfying, and each step contributes to a more engaging user experience. Remember, experimenting with different CTAs and placements can help you optimize results and maximize the effectiveness of your marketing strategy. And that's it. You've successfully set up a CTA button on HubSpot to enhance engagement and support your campaigns.